One,
Oh no.
two,
Oh no.
three.
Go!
Di channel saya. Selamat datang sekali lagi ke Orang Sunda Asli. Kita ada banyak teman-teman, coba lihat. Iya, bagus. Hari ini kita akan cukur rambut. Ayo,
Cuman dia yang cukur rambut.
cuma saya. Ya, jadi kita lagi jalan ke tempat cukur rambut, namanya Mona Lisa Chan.
Iya.
Shout out to that, ke tempat itu. Nah, mereka akan pilih gaya rambut saya. Jadi saya masih belum tahu gayanya.
Jadi
Akan surprise.
ya gayanya akan di sini foto di sini.
Mana
Ya,
foto? Saya mau lihat.
belum.
Aduh.
Ya.
Organized. I gotta rough it up.
One,
Oh no.
two,
Oh no.
three.
Oh no. What the? What's this?
It's called
Dude,
that's
that's so crazy.
You like it? Wait,
No,
it's so good.
not Paul. This isn't me.
It looks good though.
Thanks. Ya itu cukup dik-dak-dik. Apa itu?
Sorry. Right there.
Stop! Ow!
We're not even friends anymore.
I'm breaking up with you.
Me too. We're done.
I broke up first. I break up again.
I ask you back out and we break up
Oh.
again.
Oh, is that recording? No? Okay, good.
And you're bigger than him.
You're like a little girl.
You're like a little...
Both of you are little girls.
I didn't even touch you. No, I'm touching you.
Terima kasih untuk nonton video ini. Kita baru dapat gaya yang jelek banget, HD.
Bagus.
No, jelek.
Yang bagus.
Yang gay.
Edit here.
Dan ya.
Like, subscribe.
Okay.